Welcome to Seaside Nature Park, the home of Intervision Foundation. We are founded in 2005 and have been working on several community projects since then. We work with the help of farm animals and of course the outdoor Maarten nature. We have several programs, of which one of our specialized programs is the animal-assisted therapy, in which we offer therapeutic programs with the assistance of horses or other smaller animals. We also have the vacation camps, the mindfulness programs, and several activities and fun days that we organize on a monthly basis. We are located in K Bay, right behind the GB power plant. Just follow the road into K Bay and pass the Sol and the power plant and enter our beautiful area of Seaside Nature Park, a hidden gem on St. Maarten. Anyone can enjoy quality outdoor time with their family right here by us. We're looking forward to welcome you at Seaside Nature Park on behalf of Intervision Foundation.